Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to watch members only videos on YouTube. So guys, if you want to watch members only videos on YouTube, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, basically I have searched this question on my browser in my iPhone, and here you can see the article which says if you want to see members only videos on YouTube, you have to simply follow this method. So guys, here you can see the method. Go to channel you want to join, click the join button which is located to the right of the subscribe button, and after this choose a membership level and enter a payment method and click buy. So guys, you have to simply get the membership of that channel and you have to pay for this, and after this you will be able to watch YouTube members only videos on YouTube very easily. So guys, basically this is the way which you can follow to see members only videos on YouTube. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.